Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing y'all how to take the screen apart from your iPhone. So the first step will be to take the screws out from the bottom of the phone next to the charging port. So for this next part you will need a suction cup, and what you do with it is put it towards the bottom of the screen like so, and make sure that it's nice and pushed in, and then you will take your fingernail on your thumb and put it in the charging port so you will have grip, and pull the suction cup out towards you, and you will pop the screen out. So after you do that, you will flip the screen up and you will need to take a couple of screws out at the top. So now you will take that little plate out, and what you do is you take a little tiny pry bar that you will use to take out those little connectors from the phone, and take the connectors out like so, one by one. And after you've done this, then you've successfully taken out the screen of your iPhone.